Hi team. For beginning swimmers, getting into the water can feel intimidating. Using a positive and playful approach helps build their confidence. One effective method is turning it into a Simon Says game and making it engaging and fun to go underwater. This is how you can use Simon Says to get them to put their face in. Start with your ears. Can you point to one ear and everybody points to their ear? Simon says, put your ear in the water. Demonstrate dipping one ear into the water and encourage the swimmers to copy you. Repeat with the other ear. Progress to the nose and bubbles. Once comfortable, introduce blowing bubbles by saying, Simon says, put your nose in the water and blow bubbles. After you've got your ears and nose in, it's time to have their goggles in. Encourage the swimmer to gently dip their eyes into the water, both with and without goggles. By using a lighthearted tone and gradual steps, swimmers will feel more at ease, making it easier for them to progress to full submersion. This is a simple yet effective game that turns hesitant starts into an exciting and rewarding experience for all of our swimmers.